Okay, you ready for this one? I don't want to mess it up. Here's the center. Here's where we connect the 7th inning stretch, R and U, A and B. Okay, at bat, coming up to the plate, playing 6.5 innings, 5 and 6, 6 and 5, creation of the 7th gate. 35, 37, 3 times 37, average 111, top story to Twin Towers. Now you see the way I connect these two? This is my square connected from the top all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so if you notice, there's 4 of them over here, the encompassing of the two. You can either have these 3 or these 3, but you can't have them both. Okay, this would be basically the roof in the basement if you want to look at it that way. But what we're going to do is box, what I call box this in. And I am going to draw the box, okay, right over here. And then I'm going to draw the box. Okay, you see the way I'm stopped over here from drawing that box? But I'm not stopped from drawing the box over here. Now this same image, this same design has to be created here, here, and here. And you will have this separation for the two sides. I wish I can push over my couch right now and show you the rest of this design. But what I will show you, okay, is that we come out to here and to here. See this design come out to here and here? I'm not going to do the other side. I don't want to duplicate it. Now this can go straight, but this is the square. Do you remember this from the last video? See, remember the last video that we did? Is there any other way to do this? Sure. I can go even further out to create it, but I'm using a 4 block. Here I'm using a 4 block. I have extra corners, so I'm going as small as I can go. At the same time, 7 divides it. 7 divides it. But if you take a look, even if I'm folding this down, okay? Even when I fold this down and they come together, this is where the 7 comes together. So why is it the gateway? Why is it the canal? Just going to go a little bit deeper and think and thought. Inside here, I have that diamond. Okay, if I create this diamond in here that I need, what is my actual distance? So I'm going to create a very light diamond in here. Okay, I'm going to, how do I get that diamond inside of here? No, it's not the diamond. It can't be a square. I need to do it here and here. Yes, here and here and here and here and here. Okay, I have to do it this way. So if I do it that way, what I am left over is... So what is the value of this and this? This angle creates its own 7. This creates a V. If you want to go Roman numerals, we can start giving it numbers, but I do not know what numbers it'll be. What if I did this one in a diamond over here? Now I would have all this free in that space. So I don't want to get into that right now. I don't want to get into that. And I'm very upset at Hilroy because all my pages, you see how thin the edges are? They all come out, and I hate that. I hate to close my book that way, but you know what? I'll just have to suffer with it. So right now in this design, if you notice, there's a square here. Okay, whoop, I forgot to do this one. There's a square here, a square here, and a square here. There's 4 fields, 1, 2, 3 baseball fields. These two combat each other, these two combat each other, and then they come and combat over here. So here's this image over here. Here's this image over here. So I can have all these images, okay? I cannot have this one here, and, oh, yes, I could have this one here. I can't have this one here. I can't go through this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, because they do go through each other. I didn't notice that. And since this goes through each other, this does not go through each other, because I need to reach the red numbers. I need to reach the black numbers. Over here, there is no number to reach. All 3 of them are black. So I'm not going to go. So we have the area here. Whoop, I don't like to do that. We have the area here, 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 here. Here's the center of the turtle, and boom, nothing. If I want, I can go through here, right, and create the Mug and Dovey star through this. Do you want to see me create that Mug and Dovey star? I can also create that fish, the turtle. All up to you. All up to you what part. So we now have the top and the bottom of the Mug and Dovey star. And you see, this is, in order to create the star, I must drive into a red. I must drive a blue into a red. Okay, in order to create the star, okay, I must drive a blue into a red. And then this Y, and sometimes Y, will now bring it into the center. Now we're going to turn it sideways. Okay, I want to see if I can color it in. No, I'm not going to color it in. I'm hoping that you can see it. Where is the star extended? It extends over here. Right over here. Here, here, here. Hold on a second. Yes, yes. Here, all the way into here, and to here. In fact, I'm going to make it all blue, easier to see. And I seem to have lost my blue. Here it is. So I'm going to make it all blue. Okay, and I'm going to make it all blue. I'm coming down to here. Here, 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 and here, and over here. But in here is a little special, right? So here I have the Mug and Dovey star. Right? Now, I'm not going to put it out anymore. I can't put it out anymore. I won't cover it. So this star connects this whole thing, your blue, with your red, or what you want to say, your red or black on the wheel. Red or black on the wheel, because black equals to 29, and red equals to 27. This will equal to 18 and 11. This will equal to 14 and 09. This becomes 9 and 2. This becomes 5 and 9, circle it because we add 6. This will now turn into a 6. It'll be 5 and 6 equals to 11, and this one will equal to 11. This creates your DNA of I. This one creates the heaven of one birth, right? The heaven of one birth only. Birth in Venus. It's a split birth. This must be 8s or quarters. I shouldn't even talk. This is 2 and 9. This will create the same number again. 29, and let's say 69, 79, and 83. 3, 9 is 12 is 3. 8 and 2 is 10 is 1. Created to 7 and back to 73 again. G, C. God Christ. Anyways, whichever way you want to see it, this is the design. This is what it does in the center. At the same time, this design, I don't have it duplicated, but all of this will connect to another board here, to another board here, until we square off this board. Since it's 12 deep, we need 4 of these boards. 4 will create 12 high and 12 wide. 4 will create 3 rows of 12 high. It'll create 12 rows by 12 rows, but it'll only take 4 of these boards. Raphael, 7286. We didn't do one thing. There's one thing missing. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. Then it'll be 258, 258, 258, etc. Thank you for watching this video.